Hello, I'm going to play blues from our Guitar Method book 1. I'm on page 10, number 18. It's super important that, just like before, well, for the open strings we won't use any fingers. For the first fret notes, C and F, we're only going to use our first finger, and for the third fret notes, D and G, we're going to use our third finger, our ring finger. Alright? That's what I want you to strive for. I'm going to play the chords though, so I'm going to do it a little bit differently, but let's do it together. I have my metronome on here at 52. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job.